안녕하세요 everyone, this is Jia. Today we'll be making non-spicy soy sauce-based Sundubu Jjigae, soft tofu stew. This stew is more commonly known as a spicy dish. Today I want to make a mild variation that is perfect for enjoying the smooth and creamy tofu. And I will prepare a delicious sauce that pairs perfectly with this stew. Sundubu is typically vacuum packed because it is so soft and has lots of moisture. I'm going to make this stew vegan, so I'll be using dried kelp known as dashima in Korean and dried shiitake mushrooms. When making vegetable stock, dried ingredients release much more flavor into the broth than fresh ones. Chilies and green onions will be used in making the sauce. Wipe the kelp with a wet kitchen cloth as the umami from the kelp easily leaches into water. In a medium-sized pot, add the kelp and dried shiitake mushrooms. Then pour water into the pot. Heat the pot over medium heat and bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, remove the kelp and the mushrooms. Then turn off the heat. Now, I'm going to make a sauce to serve with the tofu stew. I'm not going to use the green part of the green onion. I'm going to chop the white part of green onion, which will release a nice flavor to the sauce. I want to add some chilies to this sauce. These Korean chilies are not so spicy, so I'm going to add 1 green chili and 1 red chili. Of course, you can control the spicy level to your taste. In a small bowl, combine dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, chopped green onion, chopped chilies, toasted sesame seeds, and the sesame oil. I'm not going to season the Sundubu stew, so the sauce will provide seasoning and flavor. I like to make it salty with a nutty flavor from the sesame oil and sesame seeds, and with a spicy kick from the chilies. Set the sauce aside for 15 minutes at room temperature. Cut the edge of the Sundubu package. Then squeeze the tofu into the broth. I'll be using 2 packages of Sundubu. Sometimes, the taste of food may vary depending on how it's treated or cut. For Sundubu dishes, squeezing the tofu creates a finer texture and tastes much better than cutting it into pieces. Heat the pot over medium heat and cook until it just comes to a boil. Don't add the sauce to the stew. It will be served on the side. You can make this Sundubu stew with any broth or add-ins. And today I made it vegan using the kelp, dashima, and the shiitake mushroom. I'm going to slice the shiitake mushroom and add to my Sundubu Jjigae. The stems are quite tough, so don't use it and just thinly slice the shiitake mushroom. You can also use any other dried mushroom that you have. Shiitake mushroom, I like to use it because it has a very intense, deep flavor and it goes perfect with Sundubu. Okay. Thinly slice it, and it also gives a chewy and nice texture to this stew. Okay. Done. I'm gonna scoop my Sundubu to the bowl. Let's add a little bit of shiitake mushroom on the top. And serve with the sauce at the side. Just add the sauce to your sundubu. Give it a taste. If you like more sauce, you can add it more. Can you see this? It looks just delicious.